सेनापतिं पञ्चशतु प्रमापितान् हनुमता सानुचरान् सवाहनान् निशम्य राजा समरोद्धतोन्मुखं कुमारम् अक्षं प्रसमीक्षताग्रदः यर्पण सम्प्रचोदितः प्रदाभवान् काचन चित्रकार्मुकः समुत्पपादात् सदस्युदीरितो द्विजादिमुख्यैः हविषेव पावकः यर्पण सम्प्रचोदितः प्रदाभवान् काचन चित्रकार्मुकः समुत्पपादात् सदस्युदीरितो द्विजादिमुख्यैः हविषेव पावकः when Senapatim Panchasatu Pramapitan Hanumata. When Ravana came to know all the 5 Senapatis are also killed by Hanuman, this Senapati had gone with so many brilliant chariots, Vahanan. The Hanumanji destroyed everything and the people also. And then they had gone with so much enthusiasm, but Hanumanji smashed them. Hearing this news, Ravana is hearing, and then his son Aksha, Prasamikshatagrata, he is really keen now and enthusiasm to fight this Hanumanji. So, Satasya Drishtyarpana Samprachoditaha. He saw his father is very worried and everything. So, in the assembly of Ravana, this Aksha Kumara got up and started speaking. He is very, wants to see who this person is, Hanumanji, because he's killed so many of the great people they had. So he's like the Agni which flares up when the ghee is poured. More and more the Agni will burn like with Tejas. Like that, this Akshay Kumara, he has a golden sword, sharp, and he's shining like lightning. And he stands up and talks to Ravana in the assembly. तदो महद्बाल दिवाकर प्रभं बाल दिवाकर प्रभं प्रदत्त जाम्बूनद जाल संददं रदं समास्थाय ययौ सवीर्यवान् महाहरिं तं प्रति नैर्दर्शवः तदो महद्बाल दिवाकर प्रभं प्रदत्त जाम्बूनद जाल संततं रदं समास्थाय ययौ सवीर्यवान् महाहरिं तं प्रति नैर्दर्शवः तदस्तपसंग्रह संचयार्जितं प्रदत्तजाम्बूनद जालशोभितं पराकिलं रत्नविभूषितध्वजं मनोजवाष्टाश्ववरैः सुयोजितं. That with all the shining on his rings and bangles and necklace, everything, with the chariot also golden color, he is coming like a rising sun and comes to the battlefield to face Hanuman. Tatastapa Sangraha, he has also done tapas. That is why these Rakshasas are invincible. They also acquire Divya Shakti by doing penance to their Ishtadevatas. So the Devi has blessed him. By the blessing of Devi, he has acquired this chariot. For the warrior in battle, the chariot is very important. It should be able to move very fast, swiftly, this way, that way, high, low. So the chariot is always given importance. And the charioteer who is driving should also be very efficient. Based on the arrows that are coming, they should be able to swiftly move and protect the person. So all this, the chariot is really first thing they will pray. So like in Mahabharata Yuddha we saw last week in Narayaniam class, Salvo Vaishmi Vivahe Yadubala Vijida Chandrachuda Vimanam. He had prayed to Lord Shiva and he got a Divya Ratham. That Ratham itself is going to protect them, and the Ratham are suddenly invisible, suddenly visible, suddenly north, suddenly south, suddenly every direction it will move, suddenly ground, suddenly sky, like this, the Ratham. So Bhagavan had to fight with that Salva. And the Ratham he got by praying to Lord Shiva. Like this here, this chariot is so very important. Chariot is the part for them. So the chariot because of the chariot and the charioteer, many battles will be won or lost. For Karna, the charioteer was a Salya, Magadraja Salya was charioteer for Karna, and even the beginning only, he broke his self-confidence, saying, "Are you good enough to fight Arjuna? Do you not know Arjuna cannot be beaten by any Drona, Bhishma, anyone, and you are going to fight?" Ipriye Cholli, Karna's confidence was broken, and his chariot was the one which fell into the bhumi, and the chariot itself caused him to die, right? Like that, first they will all do tapas for weapons, they'll do tapas for chariots, they'll do tapas for mental, physical strength. That's how the Kshatriya side will be. So this Aksha has very powerful chariot, which is reward from the mother. So it's dazzling. And then Patakinam flag irukku, banner எல்லாம் வச்சிருக்கு, big golden pillars are there, it's studded with diamonds, 8 horses, Ashtashwarehi Suyojitam, 8 horses with the speed of wind or speed of the mind, Manojavashta, with the speed of the mind they are able to take the chariot this way, that way. That is the horses. They are also very powerful. Like this, Aksha Kumara is coming. Sura Drishyam Asangacharinam Raviprabam Yomacharam Samahidam Saturnamatta Sinibandhamadhuram Yadakramaaveshita Shaktitomaram Rajamanam Pratipurnavastuna Sahemadamna Shashi Surya Varchasa Divakarabam Rathamastitasthadaha Sat Nirjagama Tulya Vikramaha. Obstructed by any deva or asura. So for all the warrior, like the chariot is like their good luck Karamari, right? Namalakala will have one thing that will give good luck if you think about like that. So like the sports car racing lampanwa, for them the car is everything, right? The car has to give good luck. Like that for the warrior, the chariot has to give good luck. So chariot is got by penance. So this chariot, it is speed is so fast, like the mind, speed of the mind, and it could move freely without even cruise control bogum. There is no need for any control, and it has a radiance like the Surya Bhagavan, and it can move like that in the sky. It is very clever to move in the roam in the sky, and it has all the things he will need, like the full quiver of arrows, like all the swords, etc. Whatever weapons he will need, 8 sharp swords are there. Whatever weapons, it is having nice spot to keep all those. And then seated in that chariot with all the accessories all set up with wonderful 8 horses. Akshakumara looking so radiant like Surya Bhagavan and also the Chandra Bhagavan. He is ready to go. Aksha, gets into the chariot to fight with Hanumanji. So, Virajamanam Pratipurnavastuna Sahemadamna Shashi Surya Varchasa Divakarabam Rathamasthitastadaha Sanirjagama Maratulya Vikramaha Sapurayan Kamcha Mahim Cha Sachalam Turanga Matanga Maharadhaswanaihi Balaihi Sametaihi Sahitoranasthitam Samartamasinamupagamat Kapim Sapurayan Kamcha Mahim Cha Sachalam Turanga Matanga Maharadhaswanaihi Balai Sametaihi Sahitoranasthitam Samartamasinamupagamat Kapim Satam समासाद्य हरिं हरिक्षणो युगानकालाग्निमिव प्रजाक्षये अवस्थितं विस्मितजातसम्भ्रमः समैक्षताक्षो बहुमानचक्षुषा मातङ्गमहारथस्वनैः. So the chariot is coming fast. There are elephants coming. The horses are moving so fast, and so like this, the sound of the chariot, tak 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 tak, it will come. The dust will be flying everywhere like this. It's making the earth tremble. That is such type of a chariot. And so all the troops are even terrified. Like this, riding a best chariot, now Akshakumara the son of Ravana, came in search of Hanumanji and trying to see where he is. And he's very impressed by Hanumanji already. So he's saying he's already killed so many great people of our side. So he is looking at Hanumanji with sense of respect. Satam samasadya harim harikshano yuganda kalapnimiva prajakshaye. He looks like a lion, Akshakumara, and as though deluge has come at the end of the kalpa, a deluge will come. Like that he has come near Hanumanji. Avasthitam Vismita Jada Sambramaha. He is also surprised. Hanumanji is looking at him, he is looking at Hanumanji, and he gets respect for him. Bahumana Chakshusha, both of them like that respect for each other. Satasya Vegam Cha Kapir Mahatmanaha Parakramam Charishu Parthivatmajaha Vidarayyan Swam Cha Balam Mahabalo Himakshye Suya Ivabhivardate Nyuhu Prasamiksha Vikramam Stiram Stita Samyati Durnivaranam Samahitatma Hanumandama Have Prachodayamasa Sharaistribhishataihi Satasya Vegam Cha Kapir Mahatmanaha. So Akshakumara is trying to match the speed of Hanumanji and is making his body strong and tall like the sun and is ready to battle Hanumanji. So he sent 3 potent arrows and at Hanumanji and forced him to start the fight. Sharais Tribish Shataihi. First he sent 3 potent arrows at Hanumanji. Tadakkapim tam prasamikshya garvidam jidashramam chatru parajayorjitam avaikshatakshah samudirnamanasah sabanapanihi pragrihita karmukaha स हेम निष्काङ्गद चारुकुण्डलः समास सादाशु पराक्रम कपिं तयोर्बभूवा प्रतिम समागमः सुरासुराणामपि सम्भ्रमप्रदः न तताप भानुमान् ववौ न वायु प्रचचाल चाचलः कपे कुमारस्य च वीक्ष संयुगं ननाद च द्यौरु ददिश्च चुक्षुभे. Fierce battle going on. The earth is trembling, the mountains are rocking, the sun became cloudy, the dust is rising everywhere, the wind is paralyzed, the mountains are shaking like this. The whole earth is affected by the speed and the power of this battle. Ocean is becoming violent. Apepata exchange of weapons are going on. Tatastavira sumukan patathrinaha suvarnapunkan सविशानिवोरगान् समाधि संयोग विमोक्ष तत्त्ववित् शरानत त्रीन् कपिमूढ्यताडयत् ततस्त वीर सुमुखान् पतत्रिणः सुवर्णपुङ्गान् सविशानिवोरगान् समाधि संयोग विमोक्ष तत्त्ववित् शरानत त्रीन् कपिमूढ्यताडयत् शरैर्मूर्ध्नि समं निपातितैः क्षरन् असृग्दिग्ध विवृत्तलोचनः नवोदिदादित्य निवशरांशुमान् व्यराजदादित्य इवांशुमालिकः तदस्थपिङ्गादिव मन्त्रिसत्तमः समीक्षतं राजवरात्मजं रणे उदग्र चित्रायुध चित्रकार्मुकं जहर्ष चापूर्यद चाहवोन्मुखः. And the arrow he pulled to the ear, then release 3 potent arrows so sharp inlaid with gold, and he's aiming at the head of Hanumanji and released 3 arrows. And the arrows came directly and hit the head of Hanumanji, and blood is gushing out. Satai Sharair Murdni Samam Nipatitai Ksharan Nasrik Digda Ibirta Lochanaha. Hanumanji opened his eyes wide and looked at him, and his blood is coming out. So now the Hanumanji with the shining like the sun. Again he got ready, increased his body. Tatasta Pingadiba Mandri Sattamaha Samikshatam Rajavaratmajam Rane Udagra Chitrayuna Chitrakarmukam Jaharsha Chapuryada Chahavonmukaha. He enlarged his body and became very big. He is the best servant of Sugriva is the best minister. So incomparable Hanumanji. मानासन चित्रकान्मुखः शरप्रवर्षो युधि राक्षसाम्बुदः शरान् मुमोचाशु हरीश्वराचले बलाहको वृष्टिमिवाचलोत्तमे कपिस्तं रणचण्ड विक्रमं विवृद्ध तेजोबल वीर्य संयुधं कुमारमक्षं प्रसमीक्ष संयुगे ननाद हर्षात् घनतुल्य विक्रमः. Akshay Kumara has all the weapons, the chariot and the army also. Single-handedly is releasing arrows and Hanumanji is getting angry. And so now Hanumanji is roaring and becoming so big form and is looking at Aksha. He's also not giving up. Sabala bhavadyuti virya darpitaha pravardamanyuho chadajopamekshanah samasa sada pratimam kapim rane गजो महाकूपमिवावृतं तृणैः बाणैः प्रसभं निपातितैः चकारनादं घननादनिस्वनः समुत्पपाताशु नभस्त मारुतिः भुजोर्विक्षेपण घोरदर्शनः. He became angry and increased his size and he's hitting his own shoulders and arms and said, "Let's go." And then, with more anger, Hanumanji started to fight back. Akshay Kumara, in the meantime, is sending arrows like the clouds are sending, torrential rain and thunderstorm. Like that, is arrows non-stop that coming with so much speed. Like this, but Hanumanji with so fast. Manojavam Maruta Tulya Vegam. He also can move like the speed of the wind. So he's moving this way, that way to avoid the arrows which are coming so fast, and so he's moving through the gaps in quick succession. That is this one. Satan sharam tasya harir vimokshayan chachara veerah pativayu sevide sharatare marutavad vinishpadan manojava samyadi chanda vikramah. Satan sharam tasya harir vimokshayan chachara veerah pativayu सेविते शरातरे मारुतवद् विनिष्पदन् मनोजव संयदि चण्ड विक्रमः समातबाणासनमाहवोन्मुखं खमां स्त्रिनन्दं विविधैः शरोत्तमैः अवैक्षताक्षं बहुमानचक्षुषा जगाम चिन्तां च समारुदात्मजः भिन्नभुजान्धरः कपिः कुमारवीर्येण महात्मनानदन् महाभुजः कर्म विशेषतत्त्ववित् विचिन्तयामासरणे parakramam. This kid is perfect. He's doing everything good. How to beat him? He's like a young bull. So Hanumanji even has to think for a little bit. Then Abalavadbala Divakara Pravaha Karotyayam Karma Mahan Mahabalaha Sachasya Sarvahava Karma Shobhinaha Brahmapanete Matiratra Jayate Mahamscha Vidyadaha समाहितश्चाति सहश्च संयुगे असंशयं कर्म गुणोदयादयं सुनागयक्षैः मुनिभिश्च पूजितः अयं महात्मा च महांश्च वीर्यदः समाहितश्चाति सहश्च संयुगे असंशयं कर्म गुणोदयादयं स नागयक्षैः मुनिभिश्च पूजितः पराक्रमोत्साह विवृद्धमानसः समीक्षते मां प्रमुखागदस्थितः पराक्रमो ह्यस्य मनांसि कम्पयते सुरासुराणामपि शीघ्रगामिनः. When thinking for Akshay Kumara is like Abalavat Bala Divakara Prabha. He is like the rising sun and he is fighting. He is only a kid, but he is fighting like a matured person, very experienced person. And so Akshay Kumar is a seasoned warrior Mari is fighting. And so any strategy in Hanumanji is thinking still. And then what heroism, what courage, what a valor, and he's looking at me in the eye, he's not having any fear or any doubt. Such characteristic, exemplary qualities, Hanuman is praising him. He's thinking even Nagas and Yakshas should be praising this kid. And he is so, that is what we need, that 100% determination and resolve, firmness and resolve to accomplish something. First, the mind and the strength varanam, and full effort varanam. Like that, Akshay Kumara has nothing stopping him. And so, wonder who his guru was. This was the same way Abhimanyu was fighting in Mahabharata, right? Very, very powerful Abhimanyu. Krishna is his guru who taught him Gadha Yuddha. Like that, this kid is the best. He's so moving so fast. He looks at my face. He's absolutely fearless. And even Devas and Asuras would be terrified of his strength. न खल्वयं नाभिभवेदुपेक्षितः पराक्रमो ह्यस्य रणे विवर्धते प्रमापणं त्वेव ममास्य रोचते न वर्धमानो अग्निरुपेक्षितुं क्षमः हयात्महाजवान् समाहितान् भारसहान् विवर्तने जगान वीरपति वायुसेविदे तलप्रहारैः पवनात्मजकपिः. Right? So it's very dangerous to keep the fire burning like that. So I says I should do it fast. And so then he understood. First Hanumanji with his hand slapped the horses, and the horses started shaking, and they were not able to hold the chariot. So first step, see, they always attack the chariot. Chariot is very important. Satasya tanashta hayan mahajavan समाहितान् भारसहान् विवर्तने जगान वीरपति वायुसे विदे तलप्रवादैः पवनात्मजः कपिः. Once the chariot is shaken, ततस्तलेनाभिहतो महारथः स तस्य पिङ्गादिव मन्त्री निर्जितः प्रभग्ननीडः परिमुक्तकूबरः पपात भूमो हदवाजिरम्बरान् ततस्तलेनाभिहतो महारथः स तस्य पिङ्गादिव मन्त्री निर्जितः प्रभग्ननीडः परिमुक्तकूबरः पपात भूमो हदवाजिरम्बरान् सतं परित्यज्य महारथो रथम् कार्मुक खड्गधर कमुत्पथन् तपो अभियोगा दृशिरुग्रवीर्यवान् विहाय देहं मरुतामिवालयम् सतं परित्यज्य महारथो रथं स कार्मुक खड्गधर कमुत्पथन् तपो अभियोगा दृशि उग्रवीर्यवान् विहाय देहं मरुतामिवालयम् ततः कपिस्तं विचरन्दमम्बरे अतत्रिराजानिलसिद्धसेविते समेत्य तं मारुततुल्यविक्रमः क्रमेण जग्राह स पादयो दृढम्. Now Akshay Kumara has to come out. So he is now flying in the air. Both Hanumanji and Akshay Kumara are fighting in the air. And so Hanumanji now, it is easy for him. He does not have the all the chariot with the weapons and everything, right? So Hanumanji is holding him by the legs, it seems. Tatakkapistam vicharandamambare पतत्रिराजानिल सिद्ध सेविते समेत्य तम्मारुत तुल्य विक्रमः क्रमेण जग्राह स पादयोर्दृढम्. He held both his legs with his two hands, and then he's holding Akshay Kumara. Satam samavidya sahasrasha kapihi महोरगं गृह्य इवाण्डजेश्वरः सुमोच वेगात् पितृतुल्य विक्रमो महीतले सम्यदि वानरोत्तमः सतं समाविद्य सहस्रशः कपिः महोरगं गृह्य इवाण्डजेश्वरः सुमोच वेगात् पितृतुल्य विक्रमो महीतले सम्यदि वानरोत्तमः आहूरुकटिशिरोदरः क्षदन् असृङ्निर्मतितास्ति लोचनः संभिन्न संधिः प्रविकीर्ण बन्धनो हतक्षितो वायुसुतेन राक्षसः होल्डिंग महर्षिभिश्चक्रचरैः महाव्रतैः समेत्य भूतैश्च स यक्षपन्नगैः सुरैश्च सेन्द्रैः वृषजातविस्मयैः हदे कुमारे स कपिर्निरीक्षितः महर्षिभिश्चक्रचरैः महाव्रतैः समेत्य भूतैश्च स यक्षपन्नगैः सूरैश्च सेन्द्रैः वृषजातविस्मयैः हदे कुमारे स कपिर्निरीक्षितः निहत्य तं वज्रसुतोपमं प्रभं कुमारमक्षं क्षदजोपमेक्षणं तमेव वीरो अभिजगाम तोरणं यदक्षणकाल इव प्रजाक्षये. Is broken now. Akshay Kumara alone in the air. Hanumanji caught hold of him. Now with his both hands, he caught hold of him, and then like Garuda catching a serpent. Now he cannot escape. So he smashed him on the ground, and his thighs and hip and head and bones are broken and is bleeding. and then he finally died. So all are celebrating Hanumanji again. Ravana is angry and panicky now. So the Yakshas, Pannagas, Indra, Devatas all are wonderstruck and looked at Hanumanji. Admiring our Hanumanji, that's why he is called Buddhirbalam Yashodhairyam Nirbhayatvam Arogata. So அந்த மாதிரி Hanumanji killed Aksha and then he's ready again, like waiting at the, like God Yama for the next person to arrive and kill him. Next Indrajit will come and he will bind him. Then Hanumanji will go into the palace and then the next part of the story will start. Then Hanumanji will burn the entire Lanka. All this is coming now. So we finish this one. It is Srimad Ramani Sundarakande Sapta Chatvarimsha Sargaha Janaki Ganda Smaranam Jai Jai Rama Rama Hanumat Bhagavan Ki Jai.